What's the meaning of Claridge's? Claridge's. Claridge's.
Claridge's. Claridge's. Claridge's is a luxury hotel located in the Mayfair neighborhood of London, England. Established in 1812, it has a long history of hosting royalty and celebrities. The hotel is known for its Art Deco style, elegant accommodations, and high-end amenities, including Michelin-starred restaurants and a spa. It has been described as one of the world's most luxurious hotels, and has received numerous awards and accolades over the years. With its prime location and reputation for excellence, Claridge's continues to be a highly sought-after destination for travelers and locals alike.